Welcome to Cukmekerb's coding class. Today, I'm going to show you how to make an element go full screen by clicking a button using the Fullscreen API. So, if I just click this button, the div has now gone full screen. Let's get started. Alright, so to get started, pop open your text editor or whatever you prefer to use to write HTML. Let's be all proper and start with the doctype tag. ! doctype HTML. And I'm going to save this file so I get the nice HTML colors. I'm going to call it fullscreen.html. Awesome. Now on the next line, let's make that button. On click equals, and in quotes. Yes, you could just write a script that does this, but I'm having it do it when you click the button. Document, my favorite command, dot get element by ID, open parentheses, open different quotes. You see how my quotes over here are double quotes, and my quotes over here are single quotes? You want to do something like that. And this time there's no .inner HTML, because that's not what we're doing, so just close those parentheses. Now, dot request full with a capital F screen. Open parentheses, close parentheses, and close quotes. Alright, and inside I'll just write click me, and close up that button tag, /button. Next, we need to make a div, or any element really, it doesn't matter, I'm just using a div, with the ID of full. So, open a div tag, div ID equals, and in quotes, full. And the background has to be white because the text is black, and the default background in full screen mode is black, and so is the text color, so we have to change that. Style equals, and in quotes, background, colon, white, semicolon, close quotes, and inside the div tag, I'll just write hello world. Close up that div tag, save the file, and time to do some testing. Pop open your browser, find the file on your computer, and drag it into a new tab. Hey look, click me, hello world. Click. And it is in full screen. That is how you do that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, buy my merch, and remember to drive safely.